Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issues when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse your Google Play Store or any other browser for Motorola Moto E22. So first let's try Google Chrome, as this is the browser I'm using, and here if we try to reach our website, let's refresh it, and right here you can see that there's a problem. Next is Google Play Store, and if we try to open any app or even the Google Play Store, there's also error. And to fix this, we'll need to open our settings. Here navigate to the system, date and time, and set time automatically using network provided time. Now if we go back and try to reach the website on the Google Chrome and refresh the page, it works perfectly. And now try Google Play Store and try again, and here you can also see that it loads without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.